Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in today. Whoa. Hope you guys are well and happy and excited for another video. So today I wanted to have a play around with recreating, well, sort of slash inspired by a couple of Australian makeup artists. So the look that I came across was this really gorgeous sort of, I guess, orangey look. I think more like a warm orangey shades on the eyes. Created by Katie Winkler. Yes, Katie Winkler Makeup on Instagram. But she was inspired by Merton, and he is an amazing makeup artist, also from Australia. So it's kind of a combination of inspired by Katie, who's inspired by Merton. And it's just a really beautiful look. Hope you guys like it, and let's get straight into the video. Alright, so zoomed in nice and close. My skin isn't so good at the moment, but that's fine, you can forgive that. So I've already put a base on, so just prime your eyelids, and we're going in with like really beautiful orangey tones. So just grab out your oranges and your yellows and we'll get started. I wanted to try play around with the Australis. They're so dirty. What is wrong with that? Stuff just gets so dirty. I'm such a grub. Let's just not show you the lid. I want to play around with my Australis Neutralize palette because it's really pretty, it's really pigmented, it's really affordable. I do want something a little bit more like of a yellowy colour, so I'm going to go in with a shade from Makeup Geek. So I'm going to go in with the colour Chickadee, which is this beautiful yellowy colour. A yellow, yeah, it's like a soft mustard. Going to use that to blend out in the transition. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here and apply that on the base of my lid, or on my lid area. So I'm going to be using some cute brushes as well. This is from the brand Beauty Bombs. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, Beauty Bombs. And they have really cute like brushes. It's they're from Australia as well. So I actually do have a code, so I will have that in the description bar so you can get, I think it's like 20% off your order. I will double check that, but it will be in the description bar. I'm going to go in with one of the eyeshadow brushes and pat this sort of reddish shade across my lid. And I'm just keeping this on my lid area right here. I'm not blending, taking it up too high. Now I feel like this light is much too dark. So this look is extremely sort of like a blown out makeup, eye makeup look with really dewy bronzy skin and simple lips. I'm literally just going to use a lip balm for my lipstick. Now I do want it to be more of an orangey tint, I think. So I'm going to go in with this colour here from Makeup Geek Cosmetics. It's in the shade Poppy. I'm tapping this over the top. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend in my crease. So that's where I'm taking the colour Chickadee. This beautiful sort of yellowy colour, and we're just going to really diffuse it, kind of like blending it into the lid shade as well. We will bring this lid shade a little bit higher, I think, but for now let's just keep it relatively low. And remember, it is quite blown out, so I'm going to kind of really blend it out here. You will have to adjust this to your eye shape. I don't have like huge amount of space through here, so sometimes the blown out look takes a bit more work for me. Helps if you pull back the skin so it's a bit tighter. I wish my eyes were actually this tight. Like, how much better and lifted does that look? Low key, considering getting a brow lift. Only they weren't so expensive. Oh my goodness. Oh well. I'm going back in with more of this poppy shade, bringing it up a little bit higher. If you can hear a noise in the background, that's rain. It's yeah, winter has hit here in Australia, so yeah, it's been on and off raining all day today, which I'm loving, by the way. I've just upped the brightness, so hopefully I haven't stuffed everything up. It just was looking so dark. I want to move on to the rest of my face actually, because I kind of need the rest of my face done before I can do here and really blow out the eyeshadow. So first of all, I am going to just put on a really hydrating and dewy moisturizer. So as you know, I'm loving the Cinch Face Cheetah moisturizer. Because it is such a dewy look, I'm going to go in with an illuminating primer. Let's just go all out with the dew. I recently got the Mecca Cosmetica illuminating primer. I got the illuminating primer and the setting spray. So I'm going to use that in this video today. It's got a light tint to it. It's really nice actually, I really like it. I'm just going to massage that mainly through the center of my face. Now, one of my favourite combinations at the moment is Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Foundation and Australis Colour Click CC Cream. I'm going to be using the flat top foundation brush from Beauty Bomb. I'm just going to very gently buff this in. So this look is kind of a little bit more editorial in a way. It's about that, you know, really bright blown out eyes, dewy skin. It's not a heavy coverage look at all, so you want to keep the skin really natural, light layers of foundation. Now leave the lips free. We don't want to put any colour on our lips because we're just going to be putting a tinted balm on them later. I'm taking a smaller fluffy eyeshadow brush, but I'm using it as to apply the foundation, and I'm going to use that underneath my eyes and around my nose. Again, I'm just mixing the CC cream and the Light Wonder foundation together. I'm using my fingers to now just pat that and melt it into the skin. Cool, so that's evened out the coverage. I like that, I'm happy with that. Gonna go in with a liquid illuminator. This is Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. I haven't really used this much, so let's give it a whirl. Just pat that in. So I'm going to apply this to the high points of my face. As I said before, it's a little bit more editorial looking, so I am going to go a little bit out there with the highlighting. You can tone it down for, you know, everyday wear. Going to highlight my Cupid's bow, down my nose. I'm just going to do it up here as well, because I really want myself to be glowing everywhere. I'm going to let that just settle in before I think I'm going to put a powder one over the top for extra, like, pop. I want to do a bronzer, so I want to get the cheeks really bronzed up, just deciding what I want to go with. Alright, I'm going to go in with Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I'm going to go in with the angled Little Mermaid brush from Beauty Bomb and start applying that underneath my cheekbones. Also just applying it around the temples. And because I haven't powdered my face, so you can go in with a powdered product over an unset foundation. As long as you're really careful, it can go patchy. So what I recommend is you use just a little bit on your brush and don't swipe it. Make sure you pat it in. And I find that way you can apply it over the foundation without it sticking, going patchy. and all of that. So I'm using this bronzer, is a little bit darker on me, so it's good as a contour. And then I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette and using kind of the bronzy shade. Actually, I'm kind of swirling them all together. And I'm going to tap that more onto my cheekbones. So I'm still getting a bronzy look, but it's a little bit lighter. This is the ambient lighting powders are really nice for dry skin. They just create a beautiful airbrushed finish. I want a peachy blush. Decided I think that's going to go really nice with this peachy eye look that we've got going on. So I'm going to go in with a very small amount of this one here. So that's from Makeup Geek Cosmetics, and it is the shade Summer Fling. Beautiful. To apply Summer Fling, I'm going to go in with the powder brush from Beauty Bomb. And I'm literally applying such a small amount because this is a really intense colour. I'm very lightly tapping this onto my cheeks. Again, Editorial, I can go a little bit more ham on my cheeks than I would in, you know, real life. Oh, these brushes, guys, are so soft. Right, let's just glow it up. I'm going to go in with the Balm Cosmetics Mary Luminizer. I'm going to try this as a highlighting brush. It's kind of like a flat foundation brush, maybe. Well, let's try it as a highlight. Gently sweeping it. Woo! Well, that works. Okay. Just going to use a tiny amount along my nose. Alright, I'm going to go back to the eyes now, so let's zoom back in. You know what, let's do brows. I'm just going to go in with the brow gel. Coloured brow gel and fluff these babies right up. I'm going to go in with the corally orange eyeliner and apply that in my waterline. Well, that's cool. And I'm going to bring this pencil under my lower lashes and we're going to smudge that out. We have a flat top smudger brush from Beauty Bomb. And I'm going to use that just to smudge this lash line. Alright, we're going to use the original brush that we used for up here. And I'm going to use the smudger brush first. Using the colour Poppy. Let's really intensify it right along the lash line. So we'll do that first. Now I'm going to go in with Chickadee, this beautiful colour here. And now I'll go in with this and let's just smudgy wudgy that underneath. I want it quite thick under here. So it's coming, like I'm smudging it right down and it's meeting up here. And again, you know, blow it out as much as you want. I'm taking a clean brush. Let's just blend along all the edges, shall we? Now we need to add a bit of shine to my eyes, so let's maybe do that next. I'm adding more Poppy under the eyes. And I'm going to add a bit more Poppy right in here, just to intensify it again. How's it looking? I'm enjoying this. Now I'm going to go back in with some Mary Luminizer and we're going to apply this underneath here. Okay, let's put some lower mascara on. Going in with my Nude by Nature Allure mascara. Going to curl my lashes. So with lashes, you could go in with individual lashes, or just leave it with mascara. Kind of like it with just my natural lashes actually. Now I'm looking at it and I feel like I could do with a little bit more blush. But I'm gonna go in with this guy here. So it's just a softer peach, and this is Bliss. Whoop, get back in there, you. Bliss by Makeup Geek Cosmetics. Yeah, I think it's better like that. That's cool. Right, now for lips, I'm keeping it super simple. And we're gonna go in with a Lano Lips Tinted Balm in Rhubarb. Love this stuff. Oh, I wear Lano Lips every day. I'm gonna go in with the Lano Lips Original 101 Ointment. That's just a clear gloss and it's a little bit more glossy. Well, I think we're actually pretty much done here. It was actually easier. Oh, actually, I want something in my inner corner. Let's just go in with some Mary Lou. Yeah. I'm deciding more chickadee. I want it more intense under here. Okay, alright. I'm going to keep going forever if I don't stop. That was fun. Well, yeah. Oh, wait. Got to do the settings. Okay, it is really raining out there, so I'm going to have to talk louder. Might have to shut the window. I'm going in with my Mecca Makeup Perfecting Mist. So yeah, this is my take on this sort of really peachy editorial look. Yeah, it's so much fun. I really love it. I'd actually totally wear this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and don't forget to go to my Instagram. I will have it posted on Little Coconut and Chloe Joy Makeup Artist. So those are my two Instagram accounts. So I'll have the original photo posted and my interpretation. So yeah, that's it from me today. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!